Hey everyone! Did you know that over 1.8 billion people around the world are engaging with the Quran? Imagine being able to join them through online classes with certified teachers. Sounds exciting, right? In this video, you will discover how to learn the Quran online, from beginner to advanced levels, with the guidance of experienced teachers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your understanding, there's a place for you in the online learning community. Now let's dive into a common problem many face. Many people find it challenging to learn the Quran due to a lack of access to qualified instructors or structured classes, especially in non-Muslim majority countries. If you live in an area where Islamic education is limited, finding someone who can teach you properly can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's where online learning comes in as a game changer. It opens the doors to a wealth of knowledge right from the comfort of your home. But it's not without its challenges. How do you choose the right platform? How do you know if the teachers are certified? These questions can be overwhelming, and that's totally normal. So, let's explore the various online platforms that offer Quranic education. There are so many out there. Some of them focus on one-on-one sessions, which give you personalized attention and the chance to ask questions anytime. Others offer group classes, where you can learn in a social setting and share experiences with fellow learners. It's really about what suits your style best. But the most crucial aspect? Certified teachers. Learning from someone who knows their stuff can make all the difference. They not only guide you through the lessons, but also ensure you're pronouncing the Arabic correctly and understanding the meanings of the verses. And let's not forget about flexibility. You can schedule your classes at times that work for you, whether that's early in the morning or late at night. How awesome is that? Now let's talk about the transformative impact of learning the Quran online. I've heard some incredible success stories from students who have significantly improved their connection to their faith just by taking these classes. For instance, one student shared how, after just a few months, they not only learned to read the Quran fluently, but also started to grasp the deeper meanings behind the verses. They felt more connected to their spirituality and even began incorporating Quranic teachings into their daily life. It's stories like these that really highlight the power of online learning. When you find the right resources and support, your journey can truly be life-changing. So, to wrap it up, the benefits of online Quran learning are tremendous. You get the flexibility to learn at your own pace, access to qualified instructors, and the ability to connect with a global community of learners. Plus, you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home. It's a fantastic way to deepen your knowledge and strengthen your faith. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried online Quran learning? What has your experience been like? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's chat. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.